The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning. All right, I hope you are all doing very well. And a warm welcome to this morning's regional qualifiers, indeed, for the Eastern region. And I need to indicate that we have really enjoyed our time and our stay in the Eastern region. However, today, only one school will emerge as the winner. Remember, the quiz, the 2024 Junior Science and Maths quiz, is proudly organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service and DEX Technologies. We want to appreciate the kind gesture provided by our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosia Dixon, We appreciate her for her continuous support. We also want to recognize, indeed, and also appreciate the leadership of the chair of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz in the person of Professor Kwesi Preku, and of course, all the board members. We say thank you very much for your leadership. Let me also use this opportunity to indeed appreciate and salute the heads of the various institutions. You call them headmasters, headmistresses, proprietresses, and principals of all the schools competing in this year's contest. We really appreciate you for allowing your schools to take part in this year's contest. We also want to appreciate the enormous effort of all teachers. All teachers, we salute you. Indeed, you have spent time in preparing your students or your pupils for this contest. Let me also use this opportunity to salute the gallant students proudly representing their schools in this year's contest. Well done. We also have a number of sponsors, and I think it is just right for us to appreciate and acknowledge them. So to all our sponsors, we want to thank you and appreciate you, and indeed also acknowledge you for coming on board. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. So the 2024 Junior Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-Learning Center. For all our media and video coverages, we are most grateful. And at KNUST e-Learning, we say just a click. The KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we appreciate you for making our journeys around the nation very easy, and your venues provided are deeply appreciated. At KNUST IDL, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. To the KNUST University Information Technology Services, acronymed UITS, indeed, thank you so very much for providing us with the needed bandwidth for the quiz. In fact, your high-speed internet provided is deeply and warmly appreciated. Dex Technologies, at Dex Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology round a reality, and you always make it very exciting and hands-on, well-suited for our young scientists. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, thank you very much for the juicy prizes you have provided for this year's competition. And of course, to the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, thank you very much for coming on board to impact lives. StudyX, we appreciate you very much. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we are really looking very much forward to the wonderful meal packages. Kindly hurry up and come over. And of course, at Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Fonjo Images, thank you for keeping our memories alive. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you very much for telecasting our programs and in fact for amplifying our reach and impact. Thank you for coming on board and importantly partnering with us. At Kesben TV, we say Obia Bedidi, to which everyone will have a share. Remember, the Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is indeed tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding when it comes to the basic principles underlining the life sciences and the life sciences or the biological sciences. And our expectation is that through this quiz, there will be the promotion of teamwork and critical thinking, which is really very important as they develop themselves. I'm sure the contesting schools, you have prepared very well, and you are all, just like me, we are all looking forward to an exciting quiz. And so for today's contest, we have three schools contesting in this regional qualifiers, and we have GIFPRAISE School Complex, we have Pentecost Preparatory School, Koforidia, And we also have NKROSO. Thank you very much. The supporters are really supporting their schools. We also have NKROSO MA Basic School. A round of applause for all our contesting schools. Contestants, I need you to introduce yourselves. So I'll ask that you mention your name or your names and then the form or the level or the class you find yourselves in or you find yourself in. And so GIFPRAISE School Complex is represented by
and Claire Bamuredu.
And you are in form
Final year.
It means form 3, I guess. Does it mean form 3? All right. And
form 3.
Excellent. A round of applause for GIFPRAISE School Complex. I need to take my time in pronouncing or mentioning the name, GIFPRAISE. We have Pentecost Preparatory School, Koforidia, and the school is proudly represented by
form 3.
Excellent. And
form 3.
Excellent. Please, a round of applause for them. Oh, wow. I like these supporters. I like your energy. Keep it up. And we also have NKROSO MA Basic School, proudly represented by
Philip Amakwawaji, form 3.
and
Mempan Augustine Yaboa, form 3.
please, a round of applause for them. And my name is Augustine Angelina Silverkin. I'm a senior lecturer at the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology. I'm also a senior research fellow at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine. And I will be your quiz mistress for this morning's competition. So contestants, we want to get into business. But before we do that, you have buzzers in front of you, and we want to do a very quick buzzer check. So we want to hear the sound from the buzzers you have in front of you. So let's hear the sound from the buzzer from GIFPRAISE School Complex. Very good. Pentecost Preparatory School. Very good. And NKROSO MA Basic School. Very good. So we'll do it again. NKROSO, Pentecost, GIFPRAISE. Very good. So you've been in the competition before, and typically for your main question, there's no need to press the buzzer. You only press the buzzer when the main people attempting to answer a question are unable to answer, or they have exhausted their 2 attempts, and then you can press the buzzer. So there will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, the fundamentals. Round 2, fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. But contestants, just be rest assured, I'll be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So we want to start with round 1, the fundamentals. So this round consists of questions in the area of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. And if a school answers a question correctly, 3 points will be awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. And contestants, your schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. And each school will have a maximum of 2, only 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. And bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failure to ring the buzzer or press the buzzer before answering a bonus question will nullify your answer, which means that no points will be scored or awarded even if you are right. And contestants, I need you to be audible. I need you to speak into the microphones, and I need you to provide straightforward answers. And contestants, unfortunately, I will also not read the questions twice. So you really need to pay attention. But I'm sure we will have an exciting competition. All the best to the competing schools. So question 1, there's a preamble to the schools. Group the following into either transparent, translucent, or opaque materials. GIFPRAISE School, ice. That is correct for 3 points. Pentecost Preparatory, mug. Indeed, that is correct for 3 points. NKROSO, water.
Translucent.
No. Unfortunately, I'm not passing these questions. I'm not passing these questions on as bonuses, and you have only 1 attempt. Right. Question 2. You have 15 seconds, dear contestants, and kindly listen to the preamble attentively. Identify these foodstuffs as cereals or grains, legumes, root tubers, and stem tubers. Pentecost, millet.
Cereal.
That is correct for 3 points. NKROSO, sorghum.
Cereal.
Cereal is correct for 3 points. And soybean, GIFPRAISE.
Legume.
Legume is correct for 3 points. The next set of questions. I'll give you 15 seconds and there's a preamble. There's a preamble, so kindly pay attention. State the use of the following keys in word processing. NKROSO, Control plus M.
Merging.
That is not correct, but you have another attempt. Your time is up. Now it is available as a bonus to the 2 other schools. Compete for. Oh, so you use that to indent a paragraph. To indent a paragraph. GIFPRAISE. Control by W.
To move back to the Windows button.
That is not correct. You have another attempt.
It's used for the Windows button.
No, your time is up, unfortunately, and it's available as a bonus to the 2 schools to compete for. Oh, so if you want to close a document you have opened, then you'd use Control plus W. Oh, Pentecost. Pentecost, your question. Control plus D.
It's used to increase the indent of a paragraph.
That is not correct, unfortunately, but you have another attempt. Oh, your time is up. It's available to the two other schools as a bonus. Yes, NKROSO.
It is used for deleting a text.
No, we still have some. Oh, our time is up. So it is used to open the font preferences window. Of course, typically when you hear D, delete comes into mind, but Control plus D opens the font preferences window. My dear contestants, I hope you are learning something. All right. So the next set of questions. You have 15 seconds. 15 seconds. And there's a preamble to all schools. Taking acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meters per second squared. Calculate the potential energy of a piece of wood if, give praise. The mass is 10 kilo, 10, sorry, I'll take it again. Give praise. The mass equals 4 grams and height equals 10 meters.
Four joules.
That is not correct.
40 joules.
That is not correct. But Pentecost.
400 joules.
Pentecost.
400 joules.
No, that is not correct. So I will keep the answer to my chest. Pentecost. Pentecost. Yours is mass equals 28 grams. Height equals 10 meters.
$3.8 joules.
That is correct for 3 points. NKROSO. Mass equals 21 grams and height equals 10 meters.
$2.1 joules.
That is correct for 3 points. So of course, you know that potential energy is equal to mass plus your gravity plus your height. So the first question, the answer, you needed to have provided 0.4 joules, 0.4 joules. The next set of questions, I'll give you 40 seconds, 40 seconds. GIFPRAISE School Complex. Jonathan can type a 20-page document in 40 minutes. Susan can type it in 30 minutes. And Jack can type it in 24 minutes. Working together, how much time will it take them to type the same document?
One 20 minutes.
That is not correct, but you have another.
1 hour, 34 minutes.
No, that is not correct. Okay, so it is available to the two other schools. Yes, Pentecost.
4 minutes.
No. So it's 10, it is 10 minutes, 10 minutes, but I'll keep how you needed to have, maneuvered to my chest. Pentecost, your question, 40 seconds. Alice can paint a fence in 6 hours. Bob can paint the same fence in 4 hours. And Charlie can paint it in 3 hours. If they work together, how long will it take them to paint the fence?
Twelve hours.
Come again.
12
You
hours.
don't hold the microphone. Exactly. Yeah, so go on. What did you say?
12 hours.
That is not correct. Your time is up. And it is available as a bonus. Oh, the correct answer is 80 minutes. NKROSO. 2 water pumps are filling a tank. The first pump can fill the tank in 5 hours, while the second pump can fill it in 8 hours. If both pumps work together, how long will it take to fill the tank?
Six hours, 30 minutes.
That is not correct. But you have another chance. Oh dear. So it is available to the 2 other schools to compete for. Oh, so the correct answer is 3 hours, 3 hours, 5 minutes, or 40 over 13 hours. So you needed to have found the rate for every single one of them. Quite simple. But unfortunately. Anyway, let's go on to the next set of questions. Question 6. There's a preamble. And the following questions are statements, and they are expected to state whether they are true or false. And these questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. You have only one attempt. Only one attempt. NKROSO. Transition metals are located in the middle of the periodic table and are known for their ability to form colored compounds.
False.
Yeah, no, it's a true statement. A true statement. GIFPRAISE. Non-metals generally have lower electrical conductivity compared to metals.
True.
Indeed, that's a true statement. Pentecost. Alkali metals such as sodium and potassium are highly reactive and are found in group 1 of the periodic table. That is a true statement. Well done. But you know what, Patrick? Kindly do not hold the microphone, okay? Do not hold or touch the microphone. The next set, GIFPRAISE. An open circuit prevents the flow of electric current.
True.
That is a true statement. Well done. Pentecost. Insulators allow electricity to pass through easily. Indeed, that's a false statement. NKROSO. Power is the rate at which energy is transferred. Indeed, that is a true statement. And on that note, we have come to the end of round 1. Congratulations to the competing schools and well done to our contestants. Remember, the Junior Science and Maths quiz is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST UITS, DEX Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and of course, our media partner, Hesben TV. So our scores are in, and at the end of round 1, GIFPRAISE School Complex, 12 points. Please, a round of applause for them. Pentecost Preparatory School, 15 points. Please, a round of applause for them. NKROSO MA Basic School, 9 points. Please, a round of applause for them. Well done to our schools. So we move on straight to round 2. Round 2 is the fastest finger, fastest brain. And here, one question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. And when a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from that question. And after the buzzer has been pressed, contestants, you need to produce your answer in 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And if a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. But contestants, in this round, a wrong answer will attract a penalty of 1 point. So please, guard your scores with all your hearts. All the best. But before we start, we'll do a buzzer check. Before the buzzer check, we have a substitution. A substitution for Pentecost Preparatory School. So Daniela is leaving us. Daniela, thank you very much for proudly representing your school and for making your school proud. And we would have Andrew replacing Daniela. Andrew, you are welcome. So, Andrew, you should leave the microphones on, okay? And to all contestants, Pentecost, GIFPRAISE, and NKROSO, kindly leave the microphone on. Don't touch it. And once you want to answer a question, just speak directly into the microphone. Andrew, you want to mention your name and your form or your class, please? Don't touch it. Yes, go on.
My name is Andrew Dauti. I'm in Form 3.
Excellent. A round of applause for Andrew. And Andrew, you're welcome. So like I said, I've gone through the instructions, and we'll do a short buzzer check. So let's hear the sound from the buzzer for GIFPRAISE. GIFPRAISE. Very good. NKROSO. Very good. Pentecost. Pentecost. Give praise. NKROSO. Very good. Well done. And my dear contestants, my best of wishes to all of you. How many digits are there in 1,000? Pentecost?
4 digits.
4 digits is correct for 4 points. But please, don't touch the microphone. The next one. The place where implantation and development of embryo takes place. Give praise.
The uterus.
That is correct. 4 points. When an atom gains an extra electron, it becomes Pentecost. So it is available as a bonus. It is available as a bonus. Give praise.
It becomes an anion.
That is correct. The next one. A malicious software program that spreads by attaching. Give praise.
Virus.
Virus is correct for 3 points. It was give praise. So, contestants, I know we are in a competition and every single one of you is eager to win, but we need to maintain some sanity. You need to keep quiet. If once I call you, then you speak or you say whatever you want to say. Is that all right? Okay, the next one. What is the electric charge of the neutron particles? Give praise.
It has no electric charge.
That is correct. 4 points. Next one. Okay, we'll take a short commercial break. We'll go for a short commercial break and then we will be back soon. Okay, contestants, it's a healthy competition, okay? It's a healthy competition. Let's do a short buzzer check. Pentecost, let's hear the sound. Oh, I said Pentecost. Pentecost. Pentecost, can I hear your buzzer again? NKROSO. Give praise. NKROSO. NKROSO. Give praise. Pentecost. Very good. Now we continue. Mitochondria, chloroplast, and ribosomes are. Give praise.
are membrane-bound organelles.
That is correct for 3 points. 4 points. Pentecost. Pentecost. You see the way your fingers are very close and on the buzzer. The very moment you press it, it becomes, it disenables. So you need to wait, listen, and then you press it. Let's do another buzzer check. Give praise. NKROSO. Pentecost. Pentecost. Give praise. NKROSO. Okay, so we continue. If 6 is 50% of a number, what is the number? Pentecost.
12.
12 is correct. 4 points. The last one. The last one in this round. A cyclist accelerates from rest to 12 meters per second in 6 seconds. If the cyclist's mass is 70 kilograms, calculate the kinetic energy at 12 meters per second. NKROSO.
Joules.
Say again.
That is joules.
No, that is not correct. Give praise.
140 joules.
No, that is not correct. Pentecost.
5,040 joules.
5,040 joules. And on that note, contestants, well done. Congratulations to every single one of you. We have come to the end of round 2. And remember, our quiz is proudly sponsored by the KNUST E-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST UITS, DEX Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, SteadyX, Pizza Man Chicken Man, Ponjo Images, and our media partner, Kesben TV. Where at Kesben TV, we say Obia Bedidi. So our scores are in. And at the end of round 2, or within round 2, GIFPRAISE School Complex, 19 points. Please, a round of applause for them. Pentecost Preparatory School, 11 points. Please clap for them. NKROSO MA Basic School, -1 point. A round of applause for them. But I'm sure you are interested in the totals. So at the end of round 2, GIFPRAISE School Complex, 31 points. Please clap for them. Pentecost Preparatory School, 26 points. Please clap for them. NKROSO MA Basic School, 8 points. Please clap for them. Well done, well done, well done, my dear contestants. So we want to start round 3. Round 3. Round 3. Round 3 is the Science and Technology Challenge. And here, one question will be given to all schools. And the question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10. 10 points. This one and this one. 10 points. And contestants will be given 10 minutes to perform the task. Remember, round 3, the Science and Technology Challenge, is powered by the DEC Science set. So contestants, please pay attention. You have been provided with 2 dry cells, both labeled V, a diode labeled D, a switch labeled K, DC motor labeled M, a resistor labeled R, and an LED labeled L. Contestants, do you have all these items? Pentecost, do you have the items I read out?
Madam, please, you don't have a resistor.
All right. And NKROSO, do you have the items I read out? NKROSO, do you have everything as indicated?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
All right. Give praise. Give praise. Do you have everything as indicated? Give praise. Can you provide me with a response? Do you have everything? Give praise. Do you have everything?
Yes, please.
Okay. Pentecost, do you have a resistor now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll go over the items again. So you need to have 2 dry cells, both labeled V, a diode labeled D, a switch labeled K, a DC motor labeled M, a resistor labeled R, and an LED labeled L. Now I need you to perform the following task. So you need to connect the batteries K and D in series, and then connect L and M in parallel to each other. When you are done, you should complete the circuit by connecting one end of the parallel circuit to the remaining unconnected end of D, and the other end of the parallel circuit to the other end of the battery. But my contestants, you need to observe simple electrical rules, okay? You need to observe, and you know all the rules, so kindly observe them. Now, when you are done, I need you to close the switch and write your observations. And then reverse component D, close the switch and write your observation. Contestants, I haven't asked you to start work yet. NKROSO, I don't expect you to start work yet. Now, so for your task 3, you need to reverse component D, switch, close the switch, and then write your observation. And when you are done, I have 2 simple related questions for you. I need you to explain your observation in task 3 when component D was reversed. And when you are done, I also need you to write the energy transformations involved from the battery to the observation you made in task 2 with respect to component M. It is really an exciting activity. And my dear contestants, I wish you all the best. And you have only 10 minutes, which really begins right away. All the best. Contestants, you have 3 minutes. 3 minutes to complete your task. 3 minutes. Contestants, well done. Well done. I'm so proud of you. I saw a lot of teamwork. Some of you, you were discussing, you were sharing ideas and exchanging ideas. Well done. Well done. But we'll very soon look at what you did, and then we will provide the marks. But whilst waiting for that, I'll just go through the scheme. I'll go through the scheme. So it was a very simple task, and you were expected to put together a number of things. Connect your batteries in series, and then connect your LED and your DC motor in parallel to each other. And remember, I actually warned you that you needed to observe simple electrical rules. So making sure your connections to your batteries, the anode and the cathode and all that. And then we asked that you close the switch and write down your observations. And in terms of the observations, in fact, if you obeyed simple electrical rules, then as soon as the switch, so for task 2, as soon as the switch was closed, I'm sure those who did it very well, you saw that the motor turned on, and then the fan actually started to rotate. And of course, apart from that, the LED also turned on, and so you saw some amount of light. And it's interesting that even from here, I also saw light. Then for task 3, where we asked you to reverse component D. Remember, component D is your diode. So we asked that you reverse it and then switch or close the switch and write down your observations. And of course, if you did it very well, Then both the motor and the LED were off. They were off. And then importantly, the related questions, we asked that you explain your observation in task 3 and then write down the energy transformations. So in terms of your explaining the observation, very, very simple. You know, as for diode, all it does is to allow current to flow in only one direction. And in fact, for this particular activity, the diode was connected in a reverse biased connection. And so, obviously, there was no current. And so, no current could flow through. That's how come the motor and the LED were off in the reverse direction. And in terms of the energy transformations, chemical energy to electrical energy to mechanical energy plus heat. So I'm sure now, contestants, you know your smoothness levels. As seen whether you would be able to get all the 10 marks or not. So if you indeed completed the activity very well, then three marks you would get, and closing the switch and writing your observations, 2 points, reversing the component D, closing the switch and writing your observation, 1 point, and then the related questions, 2 points each in this particular case. So I will go through your work, and then I will provide you with your individual scores. Whilst doing that, we'll go for a short commercial break, and we'll be back very soon.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Deck Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, by just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the sunset, if you are able to collaborate and help the school get the sunset everything, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. And you can only be involved if you are using the sunset to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because you know,
wow.
Teaching and learning of science without practical it's a waste of time.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247 274 661 or 0507 110 005.
The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is a beacon of academic excellence in Ghana. In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries, KNUST is at the forefront championing the cause of e-learning. This is the story of how we have embraced technology to foster excellence in education across diverse disciplines. The year 2020 brought unprecedented challenges with the COVID-19 pandemic. As campuses worldwide shut down, the need for a robust e-learning system became imperative. KNUST was no exception.
One day we were in class, and all of a sudden, everything went online. It was very overwhelming at first.
Adapting to the new normal, KNUST swiftly transitioned to online learning. Virtual classrooms, digital assignments, and online assessments became the new standard.
Our priority was to ensure that learning did not stop. So we took advantage of the situation to train our faculty, equip our students with the technological skills, and then bridge the gap to ensure that learning online comes in to support the gap that was created.
Recognizing the need for a dedicated facility to support e-learning, the Office of the Vice-Chancellor established the KNUST E-Learning Center. This center became the heartbeat of our digital education initiatives.
So the e-learning center was a strategic move by management to centralize our e-learning efforts. It became a hub for training, for innovation, and for equipping our learners and faculty with the skills required in the times.
The KNUST E-Learning Center is a hub of innovation and leadership within Ghana's esteemed Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Guided by our core values of excellence, innovation, and integrity, we leverage cutting-edge technologies and pedagogical strategies to foster teaching and learning and knowledge creation. The KNUST E-Learning Center offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the evolving needs of stakeholders. These include online teaching and learning, video conferencing, proctor services, webinar series, and podcast. To ensure seamless service delivery, the center operates through various departments. The instructional design team integrates technology into learning design. The systems support team maintains IT systems, and the service support team offers call center and help desk services, among others. The center also operates through specialized subunits, including the Design and Publicity Unit, Training and Research, Full Online Programs Unit, Proctor and Assessment Unit, and the Immersive Learning and Pedagogy Unit, leveraging VI technologies. The center firmly believes in the power of robust digital literacy skills. We organize diverse capacity building activities for faculty members and students, ensuring continuous improvement in digital literacy.
As the Training and Research Unit at the KNUST E-Learning Center, our training sessions are designed to equip participants with the skills they need to thrive in a digital learning environment.
With the help of e-learning, we are able to submit online assignments wherever we are, and we are also able to access course materials online. I thank KNUST for bringing this initiative to Obuasi campus. With this, we are able to have the same experience as those on main campus.
For me, the advent of e-learning is a blessing in disguise. At the initial stages when the talk of e-learning began, I was among those who were very skeptical because I don't like computers. But the structure that the university put in place and the kind of training that was provided has made life so easy. It is so easy now for me to schedule a class online. It's so easy for me to take the class. It's easy for me to connect my electronic board, and I'm able to work equations. I'm able to write for them to see as though we were in the classroom.
The Center offers a platform for regular live podcast e-counseling sessions covering a wide range of topics from mental health to overall well-being. These sessions are targeted at students in the broader university community. The full online programs office manages 3 fully online programs in collaboration with the Department of Teacher Education, KNUST. Additionally, the Center offers a comprehensive catalogue of online and blended short courses tailored for the university community and the general public.
We believe in bringing courses, short courses to be specific, to the doorsteps of learners and prospective applicants. And so far, in collaboration with the Center for Capacity Building and Innovations, the e-learning center has rolled up several fully online short courses. Some serving the health community, such as the responsible pets ownership, the occupational health and safety, some in the areas of language, like English language proficiency certificate short course, even some in sign language and Chinese as well. We have also rolled up short courses in monitoring and evaluation, public relations, and so many others are still in the pipeline, serving the wider community. We invite you all to take advantage of the short certificate courses and obtain the KNUST brand.
Since 2022, the KNUST e-learning center has celebrated e-learning awareness week annually, promoting e-learning within the university community. The center also organizes the e-learning international conference, a premier event in digital education, showcasing KNUST's dedication to shaping the future of digital education. Over the years, the center has established mutually beneficial partnerships with a variety of esteemed organizations, enhancing our capabilities and outreach in the field of education.
In this particular maiden edition of the Ghana e-learning conference, I think we've done excellently, and everybody who has participated in this conference would say that this has been an excellent participation. So I'm delighted that we had opportunities and we seized the opportunities, and then we gave an excellent account of ourselves.
The center is involved in several impact projects such as the MasterCard e-learning initiative, the Partnership for Enhanced and Blended Learning (PEBL), and the e-learning Happy Training Program. These initiatives aim to enhance the delivery of high-quality, inclusive online instruction and support students' virtual learning experiences. The center features a variety of specialized spaces to enhance e-learning and support educational initiatives. These include instructional design centers, computer labs, photo studios, podcast studios, VR studios, and recording studios, among others.
Love this smile to innovative learning, and that is what, as a university, and for that matter, the leading science and technology university in this country, we will keep smiling and pushing the frontiers and ensuring that we are never left behind. Rather, we will always be the pace setters. Thank you. Thank you.
The journey of e-learning at the KNUST is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Through innovation, resilience, and collaboration, we have transformed challenges into opportunities. As we continue to forge ahead, we remain dedicated to fostering an environment where every student can thrive. This is just the beginning of our journey towards a brighter, more inclusive.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national
Contestants, welcome. We are back, and so I have the responses as provided by the various schools, and I really need to applaud every single one of the contestants. Very well done. Please, a round of applause for yourselves. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. So in no particular order, I have the sheets for Pentecost Preparatory School. Pentecost, well done. You were able to execute the tax 1, and I'm sure you adhered to all the electrical rules, so you have 3 points for tax 1. And for tax 2, again, you were able to, well done. You saw the light and the motor rotating and everything, so 2 points. And then tax 3, you were able to execute that as 1, 3 points. And question one, it's always good to read the responses provided by our amazing students. So for question 1, you have indicated the negatively charged terminal of component D was connected to the positive terminal of the battery, so current was not able to flow. This process is called reversed bias. Well done. So you have 2 points for that one. That makes 8 out of 10. Then the last one, the energy transformations. So you have written over here, chemical energy, electrical energy, light energy, and kinetic energy. You, instead of providing us with mechanical energy plus light, plus heat, you rather provided kinetic energy. But you did so well. So for that effort, I'll give you 1 point, which means that you get 9 out of 10. Well done, well done, well done. Now let's look at NKROSO. NKROSO, you did very well. Congratulations to you. And tax 1, you were able to execute it. Tax 2, NKROSO, you provided something and then you cancelled it. So I'm unable to give you any mark. Tax 3, indeed, you executed it. Tax 3, you executed it. And then question 1, you have provided an answer which reads, when it was reversed, there was no electric flow in the circuit. And indeed, that is the truth. So you have 2 points. And then for the next question, the energy transformations, you have chemical energy to electricity and to kinetic energy. So again, instead of providing mechanical energy plus heat, you rather provided kinetic energy. And so I'll give you 1 point for that effort. So it means that you have 7 points out of 10 points. Well done. Congratulations. Now to GIFPRAISE. So GIFPRAISE, again, you executed your tax 1 very well, tax 2 as well, tax 3 as well, and then question 1, indeed, you have provided when component D was reversed, the P-type region of the component was connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And the N-type region of the component was connected to the positive terminal. There was less flow of current in the circuit. And indeed, you really have provided us with a technical explanation of what reverse bias is. So I give you 2 points. Well done. And then for the last question, so again, you also provided chemical energy to electric energy and to kinetic energy, like all the other schools. And so for that effort, I'll give you 1 point, which means that you have 9 points out of 10 points. Well done. Well done. So I will just go straight to the total points accrued by the various schools. So in total, GIFPRAISE School, 40 points. Well done. Pentecost Preparatory School, 35 points. Well done. NKROSO MA Basic School, 15 points. Well done. Well done, well done. So we'll move to the last round, round 4. But before then, there is a substitution. There's a substitution. And so GIFPRAISE School. Vanessa is leaving us for Adom to come in. Well done. Vanessa, well done for proudly representing your school. I'm sure your school is so proud of you. Congratulations. Well done. Adom, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to mention your full name and the form or the class or the level you're in?
Yes, my name is Adwefin Adom, and I'm in Form 2.
Excellent. A round of applause for Adom. Okay. All right. So we move to round 4. Round 4. Round 4 is the decoding the clues round. And this particular round is buzzer dependent. It is buzzer dependent. And so before going through the rules for this round, let's just do a quick buzzer check. Pentecost. Very good. NKROSO. Very good. GIFPRAISE. I said GIFPRAISE. Okay. So Pentecost, you need to keep your fingers away from your buzzer, okay? Okay, let's do it again. GIFPRAISE. Good. Pentecost. Good. NKROSO. Okay. NKROSO. NKROSO. GIFPRAISE. Pentecost. Okay, we are good to go. So in this round, the questions will be read out as a series of clues. And if a question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. 6 points will be awarded. If answered on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. And then on the fourth or any other clue, 3 points will be awarded. Contestants, you are supposed to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. And as always, failure to press the buzzer before answering the question will disqualify you from that question, which means that your answer in a situation whereby it is correct I will nullify it, okay? So please be very careful. Let's do another buzzer check. NKROSO, GIFPRAISE, Pentecost. Okay, Pentecost, NKROSO, GIFPRAISE. My dear contestants, my very, very best of wishes to every single one of you. So the first one. I am a very common 3-digit even mirror number and a status code in computing. My first 2 digits is the only number whose constituent letters appear in alphabetical order in English? Pentecost. 404 is correct. 5 points. Amazing. The next one. I am a flap that protects, a guide to the path. Pentecost. Epiglottis is correct. 6 points. Amazing. Well done, very well done. The last but one riddle. I am really feeling the heat. I am a kind of flower, a part of the eye. In botany, I belong. Give praise.
Iris.
Iris is correct. For 5 points. Wow. You guys are amazing. Well done and keep it up. The last riddle. The very last one. Listen attentively and let's see how it goes. I am a material that allows electric current to flow. Give praise.
Conductor.
Conductor is correct for 6 points. And on that note, my goodness, we have come to the end of this contest. Such an interesting. In fact, you guys are extremely brilliant. Amazing performance. And look, a round of applause for you. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done. I'm super proud of you. My goodness, well done, well done, well done. Remember, the Junior Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by, by the KNUST E-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, the KNUST UITS, DEX Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, Steady X, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and of course to our media partner, Kesben TV, where at Kesben TV, we say, Obia Bedidi. Congratulations. Congratulations to NKROSO. Congratulations to Pentecost. And congratulations to GIFPRAISE. But I'm sure you are not interested in all the things I'm saying. You are rather interested in the scores. So within round 4, GIFPRAISE School Complex, 11 points. Well done. Please clap for them. Pentecost Preparatory School, 11 points. Please clap for them. And NKROSO MA Basic School, 0 points. Please clap for them. Now the total, or the grand total. The grand total. Now I'll start from the bottom. So at the end of the regional qualifiers for the Eastern region, for the 2024 Junior Science and Maths Quiz, NKROSO MA Basic School, 15 points. Well done. Congratulations. Pentecost Preparatory School, 46 points. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. And GIFPRAISE School Complex, 51 points. Congratulations. I am so proud of all the 6 contestants. However, there can be only one winner. And remember, just by appearing on this stage, my dear pupils, you are already winners. However, should I say however or unfortunately? Unfortunately, for NKROSO MA Basic School and Pentecost Preparatory School, this will be the end of the road for you in the 2024 Junior Science and Maths quiz. But tell you what, I'm really looking forward to seeing you in our 2025 Eastern Regional Contest, and I'm positive that you will really outshine all the others. GIFPRAISE Preparatory School Complex. In fact, I'm even mixing the name up. GIFPRAISE School Complex. Well done. A real brilliant student displaying a lot of academic prowess. And I saw the dexterity when it came to your science and technology challenge. I can only be proud of you. And I'm sure your teachers, the entire school is also very, very proud of you. But tell you what, I really cannot wait to see you in Kumasi during the national competition. And so on this note, in fact, it is my singular honor to declare GIFPRAISE School Complex as the champion, not of the finals, but of this. I like what she's doing, but for this particular competition. Congratulations and well done to every single one of you. And to all our viewers and our listeners, we are done with the Eastern Regional Contest. We are moving straight to the Northern Region, which will definitely start next week. So please stay glued and look out for all the information on the competing schools and the various schools on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook pages, and of course also on our Twitter pages. Please follow us, like our pages, and send us all the needed comments, and we'll be very happy to read them. And so for the Eastern Region, we would have GIFPRAISE School Complex and MA Creek School as the two competing, as the two schools representing the Eastern Region. We appreciate you very much. And of course, my name is Augustina Angelina Silverkin. I have been your quiz mistress. I wish you very well and have a wonderful morning. It's close to the afternoon, but have a great morning. See you very soon. Bye-bye.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd D Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapuhini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247-274-661 or 0507-110-005.